everybody, this is Layla's DIY, and before I get started, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on my post notifications so you can see when I post a new video. My videos are gonna be twice a week, every week, so I better stay strong. And this is my first video, so please help me get some subscribers. And yeah, let's get right into the video. Hi guys, so I'm back, and I'm going to be getting the supplies for the Play-Doh, so I'll be right back. Okay everyone, I'm back, and the ingredients you will be needing is flour, I'm going to be using dandruff shampoo, the lavender scented, or you can also use lotion. You can use regular shampoo, but I think I'm going to be using, instead of that, I think I'm going to be using something else. And you will use a spoon or a fork. You just need a mixing tool. And I have a bag for after. And I have this container, which has my slime in it. I'll be showing you guys how to make this kind of slime in one of my next videos, so please be prepared. Okay, and now let's get started. Okay guys, I'm back, and I chose to use this 1,000 Wishes shower gel. That works, so let's get started. I'm sorry if this is a bad camera angle, but this is how good I can get it. So, here's my bag. Okay, here's the container. You're just gonna eyeball it on how much you're putting in. So, it depends on how big you want it. Like, if you want it small, don't put in a lot. But, like me, I'm only making not super big, but not super small. I'm making a medium size. I can say that. And it kind of turns out like slime. So. Now, I only put a little bit, as you can see. Now I'm going to be mixing it up. In my next video, I think we're going to be trying out different ways to make slime to see if it actually works. So, yeah, I think that'll be cool. So, I think this is pretty good. So just get it to how good you guys want it. And this is how I want it, so I'm going to get my flour. All I'm going to be doing is pouring it a little bit at a time, because you don't really need a lot. So. I'll be back when I'm done. Okay guys, I mixed it, and now I'm going to take it out of the bowl and mix with my hands to see where it's at. So I think it's almost finished. It looks like this. So I think it's still a little bit sticky, but I think it's turning good. So I'll be right back when I finish. Peace. Okay guys, I'm back, and I finished. And this is what it looks like. It's not really stretchy, I guess. It's kind of stretchy, but this is what it looks like. And it's so cool. So, after I'm done cleaning up I literally just dropped it, guys. After I'm done cleaning it up, I'll come back, so. Hi guys, I'm back. As you can see, I finished making it and it's super clean. So, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on my post notifications. Bye. Have a good day.